Hmm. Section B, question number 1, admission of a partner. Now, how to prepare final account of admission of a partner? First, we are supposed to prepare revaluation account. Revaluation account. Thereafter, you are supposed to prepare partners capital account. There are two partners here, Arun and Arvind, Arun and Anand. In between that, Ashok got admitted. So there are three partners in the partnership. So you are supposed to keep three columns here. Three columns. The first one is called as Arun, Anand and Ashok. Arun, Arvind and Ashok. This is called as partners capital account. The next one is called as balance sheet. Balance sheet. Balance sheet. Balance sheet is a liability side, asset side, rupees. Now, at the time of preparation of final account, first you are supposed to see the balance sheet of the old partnership. In the old balance sheet, there is a land in the asset side. That should be entered in the balance sheet as it is land rupees 8,000 inner column. Because Y means here in the adjustment so here there is no adjustment for land, so this land should be entered directly outer column. Thereafter, the next one is called as machinery. Machinery. Before you write outer column, you are supposed to see whether there is an adjustment for machinery. So in this particular problem, there is no adjustment for even machinery, so you are supposed to enter directly outer column. Thereafter, debtors. Again, you are supposed to see the adjustment. Is there any adjustment? There is no adjustment even for the debtors, so you're supposed to put it outer column 11,000. Thereafter, stock. Even stock, there is no adjustment. You're supposed to put it outer column 12,000. Thereafter, bank. We are supposed to keep it in inner column 9,000 because Y means in this particular problem, Mr. Ashok got admitted and he brought 20,000 as cash to get the admission in the partnership. So that should be kept in the inner column. That should be adjusted afterwards. Thereafter, coming to the liability side, creditors. Keep it in the column 12,000. There is an adjustment for the creditor here. Last adjustment. Creditors worth rupees 2,000. Out of this 12,000, worth rupees 2,000 were paid at 5% discount. So less 5% discount. 5% discount from what means from 2,000. 2,000 into 5%. That is 100 should be the discount. So outer column 11,900. Now actual liability is 12,000 now, which is reduced to 11,900. So 100 is a profit. So you should write in the revaluation account credit side creditor rupees 100. Thereafter, workman general reserve. We know about what is the term general reserve. The term general reserve means retained earnings. The earnings which will be given to the partner, so that should be get transferred to partner's capital account. Next one, workman compensation fund. The workman compensation fund means is a fund which is kept out of profit, to pay the compensation to the workers, But in this particular problem, there is no compensation which is given to the worker, which is not mentioned in the adjustment. So that one also part of profit. That should be transferred to part as capital account. So before those two, thereafter the capital should be entered in the capital account by balance brought down, rupees 12,000 and rupees 10,000. Thereafter, we are supposed to write general reserve. By general reserve, the general reserve in this particular problem here is 12,000. That should be get shared among the partner in the ratio of 3:2. 3:2. So 3:2 ratio will be used to divide general reserve is 12,000. So how that should be done here is 12,000 into 3/5. That means 7,200. Second one, 12,000 into 2/5 should be 4,800. Thereafter, workman compensation fund. In this particular problem here is 4,000. That should be get shared among the partner in the ratio of 3:2. So 4,000 into 3 divided by 5. That should be 2,400, and 4,000 into second one, 2 divided by 5 should be 1,600. The ratio will be used to divide that. Now we covered the whole balance sheet. Thereafter we are supposed to see the adjustment. While talking about adjustment, they decide to admit Mr. Ashok for 20% share. That's okay, no problem. That should not be touched. Thereafter, the liability for workman compensation fund. The liability for workman compensation fund is 12,000. That is okay. I will leave that adjustment. I will work out afterwards. Next one, Ashok brings goodwill. So Ashok brings goodwill. So you should write Ashok capital account. He brings goodwill. That goodwill should be Ashok brings goodwill rupees 3,000. That goodwill means good name. He is having very good name. So that good name benefits for the old partner. So whatever the goodwill which is brought, that should be shared among the partner in the ratio of 3:2. So 3,000 into 3/5 should be 1,800. Second one, 3,000 into 2/5, that is 1,200. So here we are written Ashok capital account, but this side we are supposed to write 2 Arun's capital account and 2 Arvind capital account, which is in the Ashok column. We are supposed to write 1,800 and 1,200. Thereafter, there is one more adjustment. Ashok brings 20,000 towards his capital. He brings capital in the form of cash. So he brought cash 20,000. Now he brings 20,000 cash, which means the total cash balance which is going to get boosted. So that should be added to bank as capital of Ashok, that which is 20,000. So total cash now 29,000. Now everything is over. Now we are supposed to make the tally. We should close the books of account. The revaluation account 100 we can get 100. So balance sheet figure is 100. It will be to profit transferred to partners capital account for only old partner Arun and Arvind. That should be get shared among them in the ratio of 3:2. That's 3 by 5 and 2 by 5. So should be 604, 60 and 40. 60 and 40. That should be get shifted to capital account, revaluation account, 60 and 40. Total should be, now we should make the tally of this particular account. It should be, first one, last one should be 20,000, 20. The next one should be 12, 11, 14,800, 15,800, 16,400, 16,600, 17,600, 17,640, 17,640, 17,640. The next one, first one is, first column, R1 column, 12 plus 7, 29, 22,960. 22,960. To balance, carried down 22,960 and 17,640. And last one, balancing figure should be 4,000, supposed to be get deducted, 1,800 plus 1,200, 4,000. If you get deduct, you will get balancing figure as 16,000. This is the revised capital. After the admission, that should be get entered in the balance sheet. Capital Arun, Arvind and Ashok should be get entered in the balance sheet. 22,960, 17,640, 16,000. Total should get match each other.
What is 17,140, 640 ಅಲ್ಲ 48,000 4,800 300
800. So do the total. Total should get match each other.